Hey, what's up YouTube? We've got a brand new feature to release with ScoutIQ, and we wanted to show you exactly what it is and how to use it. Now this is pretty cool. It's not going to interfere with your normal scouting, but it is going to speed you up tremendously, and that new feature is OCR, or Optical Character Recognition. Many of you have been asking for this. What it is instead of typing in ISBNs or titles, it's a way for you to actually use your phone's camera and a little bit of processing power to scan the actual written ISBN. So there's a lot of books without barcodes, or maybe they're covered up with another sticker, for example, and this is a way to do those faster, as well as avoid having to use speech to text or typing in titles. So let's show you exactly how to use it. We'll show you what you can expect. And then again, this is going to speed up your scouting tremendously. A lot of you go to book sales, and when you find books with barcodes, that's great. You can burn right through those. If you're going through library books, oftentimes libraries remove the dust jackets just because they don't get lost. It's easier to put asset tags on the physical book itself without the dust jacket. And so it can be very tedious to scan and type ISBNs in slowly. Many booksellers don't get around to it. They might be lazy, or it's just not the best use of their time. So this will hopefully speed you up. So we'll go ahead and put an overlay one of these sides of the screen, and we'll show you exactly how this app works. So when you bring up your camera icon again, just like you've done in the past, you're gonna have three options on the bottom. The first is like you're used to. It's just a barcode scanner. Okay, you can hold it over the barcode. It'll show you the results just like you're used to. Outside of the barcode scanner, we've got the OCR in the middle, which is an ISBN. It'll read the ISBN. And then we actually have a title search. Now it will almost work like you're used to with Amazon's cover recognition. It's not perfect. It might have a hit rate of 50 to 70%, but we'll show you how that works. So again, barcodes like normal. You can scan a barcode. It'll grab it just like you're used to. You have your barcode scanner or your flashlight if you need it. So that's exactly like what you're used to. Where this gets really interesting is in this case here, I'll kind of just show, but someone put I did it, not somebody, but I put an FNSKU sticker on the back of this just for testing to show that we listed it. In that case, if you scan the FNSKU, it's going to come up not found because that SKU doesn't tie to something on Amazon's inventory. What you can do instead is hold up this ISBN idea, hold it over the ISBN, and as long as you get the glare out of the way, it'll actually read that barcode and find that ISBN for you. So it's very important. Shiny books, so slipcovers, for example, if you have a lot of glare, it's not going to read it as quickly as you're used to. So if you can, you actually want to find, I'll show you on the camera here, you want to find the back side of the title page, and there's going to be the ISBN. Sometimes there's several of them written out. Tap ISBN. It'll grab it extremely quickly. So again, this will speed you up. Instead of typing that in manually, simply come into here, make sure you're kind of where you want to be, hit ISBN, put it in that box, and bam, there it is. Your best bet is going to be on the back side of the title page if it's there. So we're going to bring up the camera, show you what we're doing. Again, here's the title page. There are the ISBNs right there. We've got a cloth and a paperback. So cloth is going to be the hardcover version, and paperback is going to be the one that we want. Let's just hit it, see which one comes up. We got the top one, which is normally what's going to happen. So this is a good example. You can actually put your thumb or finger, kind of hide the first one, and then grab this, and it'll grab just that bottom number, which is the one that we want. So make sure you pick the right ISBN. If it is on the back of the book, it's a little bit better, but if it's covered with a sticker, that's a way to do it. Let's show you how the cover search works real quick. So again, it's just like you're used to. Bring up the barcode scanner, and what you're going to do is you're going to kind of zoom out to get the whole book in there, and then hit the title. All it's going to do, so this is Dichotomy of Leadership. You can see there, it's the second option down. We can tap on that, and boom, we've got the book. Now, this isn't going to be perfect. We're not tapping into Amazon's facial recognition. They don't make that available, unfortunately. However, we are essentially just reading the text on this, and it does a pretty good job of bringing up the right item. So what we recommend is that you go to the title page. That's going to have a better words and not so much distraction from the cover. And so that might be a better option to do it. It won't always work here either, but there it's the first option. You can see that, and we can tap it and find the book. Real quick shout out, Lorenzo Ramos out in California. First time I met him, brought me this book. He brought several of the speakers at one of our Turn the Page conferences this book. He actually got Jocko Willink to sign the book. I guess he works out at the same gym. So that was a really cool way for Lorenzo to stand out and get a shout out on our video. So thank you to you, Lorenzo. Just to show you again that this works on the cover page. Here we've got the hardcover as well as the ebook. It's normally going to grab the one above the two. It should end in 777. There it is, just like that, and we've got it. Let's show you the facial recognition just a few more times. We've got this is marketing. Let's see if we can't match that up. There it is, first option. So again, this is going to speed you up tremendously. Let's see what else we can do. Here we got MySQL, a lot of words. Try and zoom in on the biggest words. And there it's about the 8th option down. So that's pretty cool. Just a few more. The power of starting something stupid. In this case, it doesn't show up in the first 10 options, so that's okay. In that case, we'd actually want to zoom in and grab the ISBN instead, which is not covered up there. Let's show you just a few more. Daniel Pink, a big Daniel Pink fan. First option again, it did a pretty good job reading that. And last but not least, this is a little harder, a little trickier because the wording is kind of all around. Let's see how we do. We might get lucky. Nope, didn't find it. Try again. Hey, look at that. It worked. Okay, so your results may vary, but again, our goal is to try and speed you up. We want you to help you scout smarter, not harder. We don't want you to spend tedious time typing in ISBNs. So this will be finding its way out very, very shortly. It should already be ready by the time we post this video to download. So if you haven't already, go update your app. And again, just those 3 options that you're used to. So option 1, just like you're used to, it reads the barcode. If you want to do OCR on the actual written ISBN, you can do that. And then if you want to do a title search or kind of fit the cover in there, hit over to the title, and you can always back out like you used to before. So that's it. OCR coming. Again, we want to help you scout smarter, not harder, with ScoutIQ. Thanks, guys.